In front of me is REALME 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on System and Update. Then click on Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Scroll a tiny bit and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip to turn it on or switch it off. When you're ready, just go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, my Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Quick tip, no thanks to it, you can tap on gear icon and access the same settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!